Hey guys, George Florida Parks After Dark with
Stacey from Florida Parks After Dark. And guys, we are here at Disney's Beach Club and the new 2025 Easter eggs are out. And let me tell you what, I went ahead and peeked. George hasn't been in yet.
I haven't seen them yet.
Guys, these eggs are next level this year. These Disney bakers have gone above and beyond. You guys are going to be blown away. So come on, let's go.
Let's go. All right, guys, so listen, we're gonna get in. Now, this is the lobby. We're obviously at the Beach Club. And just know that for the Easter eggs, that's the Beach Club, Yacht Club, Grand Floridian, we already got video on that, and the Contemporary. And guys, there it is. All right, let's dive in. Oh, they went big. They were right. This is next level. Okay, so let's start with the tag. So Liliana did this one, and it's the Aristocats. What? Okay, come on, let's come around and take a look at all of this. Wow. Oh, it's Marie. Oh, she's awesome. Okay, I'd say it was a simple egg, but look at the basket work. And look at the edging. That's an awesome egg. All right, moving on.
They're really gorgeous.
And now they have this one by Mary, and it's from Mulan. Let's pan up. Oh, wait till you guys see this one. Look at that. So there's her hair clip. Here's a symbol. Now here's the cherry blossoms that they have in the beginning and at the end of the movie. The Mushu and the cricket. Lucky cricket. Wow. This, and back up so you guys can see this. That is amazing. Okay, we're gonna keep coming around. Let's come down. Okay, this is by Tara. It's a Little Mermaid. Oh, you guys didn't know this one. Okay, so that's the scene when there's a canoe. Fish are spouting water and they're about to kiss. And then the boat gets flipped over. But look at the detail here. You got moss, water, seagrass. There's flounder and a fish. And Ariel and Eric about to kiss. And look at the top of this. This is really, really, really done well. Oh, and they're there in the back. Wow. Okay. That is a great egg. Okay, now so clearly the theming here is Disney movies. We got that now. You guys got it well before I did. So this one is Winnie the Pooh. Now I gotta tell you, Pooh fanatic right here. Look at that. Now the egg itself is the beehive. They have bees coming out, flying around. They have the branch broken at the top on the tree stump, but then they have Pooh on all the honey pots. And look at Pooh. Look right in on Pooh. Look how awesome he is. Okay. That is really done well. Very, very well. I'm zooming. Yep, we're getting enhanced. This could be the best one. So this is Monsters Inc. Courtney did a fantastic. Oh, wow. Look at the flower. Look at the work. It actually does look like a wood plank. It's not. And look, it's a 3-level. Sully and Mike. And that doll baby, I forget its name. Look at that. Look at the detail on this. Look, I'm going to zoom in here. This is fantastic. Look at the flower work. And then the fur. On Sully. This is done so well. The bakers have gone well out of the way. This is great. You want to come around here? Oh. Now, they did Stitch. And remember, the live action Stitch is coming out. And buckle in, guys. It's Stitch on the beach. So there's Stitch. I'm back. Get your whole egg here. It's an open egg design. And then in here you have this sandcastle. The interesting on the sandcastle, inside the sandcastle, there's a light. There it is. See it? So it lights up. Look at the flower work in the vines. It's all chocolate, guys. And then the Stitch inside is done so well. The coconut is just amazing. And if you look at the back of the egg, it's the ocean. Remember, this all happened in Hawaii. That is just a beautiful egg. Done so well. We're gonna continue around. And now we're gonna go here. Jennifer did one. Minnie Mouse and Springtime Florals. So this is more of an abstract egg. Okay, so it's not really necessarily a movie, but it's abstract. So look, you have the arty, kind of artistic, impressed Minnie. Her ears are there. There's obviously there. It has a springtime flowers on it, but if you look, the way they did it is her bow. Remember now, Minnie's ears are different than Mickey's because of the bow. The bow here is the flowers in between. You kind of look at it, you kind of can see it now. Flower works great. The butterflies are stupendous. And the detail again on this is really, really well done. Looks very natural.